Affiliate explosion riding the wave of opportunity. In today's fast-paced digital world, opportunities are everywhere, but few are as exciting and potentially lucrative as affiliate marketing. Imagine earning money by promoting products and services you love, all from the comfort of your home. It's a dream come true for many, and is more accessible than ever. Written by Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income. Pat Flynn is a name synonymous with success in the affiliate marketing world. His journey from a laid-off architect to a multi-million-dollar online entrepreneur is nothing short of inspirational. Through his platform, Smart Passive Income, Pat has helped thousands of people discover the potential of affiliate marketing and build their own successful online businesses. Did you know that the affiliate marketing industry is booming? It's not just a trend, it's a significant shift in how businesses operate and how individuals can create income streams. The industry has seen exponential growth over the past few years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. This growth is driven by the increasing number of people shopping online and the trust they place in recommendations from influencers and content creators. It's true. Experts predict it will reach a massive $8.2 billion this year. This staggering figure highlights the immense potential for anyone willing to dive into the world of affiliate marketing. With the right strategies and tools, you can tap into this growing market and carve out your own piece of the pie. That's a lot of potential income for people like you and me. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require a huge upfront investment. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Instead, you can focus on what you do best, creating content, building relationships, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. More and more people are shopping online every day. This shift in consumer behavior has opened up a world of opportunities for affiliate marketers. Whether you're promoting physical products, digital products, or services, there's a vast audience out there waiting to discover what you have to offer. The key is to understand your audience's needs and provide them with valuable recommendations that genuinely help them. This means more opportunities for affiliate marketers to earn commissions. But it's not just about earning commissions, it's about building a sustainable business that can provide you with long-term income. By focusing on providing value and building trust with your audience, you can create a loyal following that will continue to support you and your recommendations. It's like a gold rush, and we're all invited to stake our claim. The affiliate marketing landscape is vast and full of potential, but it's also competitive. To succeed, you need to be strategic and innovative. It's not enough to just throw up a few links and hope for the best. You need to understand the market, identify profitable niches, and create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. But with so much potential, it's easy to get overwhelmed. The sheer volume of information and the number of options available can be daunting. It's important to stay focused and not get distracted by shiny objects. Start with a clear plan and stick to it. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. How do you stand out from the crowd and start seeing real results? The key is to differentiate yourself from the competition. Find your unique voice and leverage it to connect with your audience. Whether it's through your writing style, your personality, or your expertise, make sure you stand out, provide value that others can't, and your audience will reward you with their trust and loyalty. That's what we're going to explore today. We'll dive into proven strategies and techniques that can help you boost your affiliate income. From choosing the right products to promote, to creating compelling content, to optimizing your marketing efforts, we'll cover it all. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow and the confidence to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. Get ready to unlock a simple yet powerful strategy to boost your affiliate income fast. This strategy is designed to be easy to implement, even if you're just starting out. It focuses on leveraging your existing skills and resources to maximize your results. So buckle up and get ready to ride the wave of opportunity. The world of affiliate marketing is waiting for you, and the potential is limitless. Let's get started. Time is money, the need for speed in affiliate marketing. Every second counts in today's fast-paced world, especially when building a successful affiliate marketing business. The digital landscape constantly evolves, and staying ahead of the curve requires effort, speed, and efficiency. We all live busy lives. From the moment we wake up to when we go to bed, our days are filled with many tasks and responsibilities. Something always demands our attention, whether commuting to work, attending meetings, or managing household chores. Juggling work, family, and other commitments leaves limited time for building an online business. Many aspiring affiliate marketers find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks they need to accomplish. Balancing a full-time job, family obligations, and personal interests can make it seem impossible to dedicate enough time to grow an online venture. That's why we need strategies that deliver results quickly. In the competitive affiliate marketing world, speed is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Quick wins can provide the motivation and momentum needed to keep pushing forward. Implementing efficient strategies allows you to see tangible results without waiting months or even years. We don't have time to waste on complicated methods or slow-growth tactics. Traditional approaches to building an online business often involve a steep learning curve and a significant time investment. However, in today's fast-paced environment, we need straightforward and effective methods that allow us to achieve our goals without unnecessary delays. Imagine boosting your affiliate income in just 10 minutes a day. It might sound like a lofty promise, but it's entirely possible with the right tools and techniques. By focusing on high-impact activities and leveraging automation, you can maximize your productivity and significantly improve your earnings. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Many successful affiliate marketers have proven that with the right approach, you can achieve impressive results in a short amount of time. The key is to work smarter, not more complex, and to stay focused on the activities that drive the most value. With the right approach, you can make significant strides in your affiliate marketing journey, even with limited time. By prioritizing your tasks and using efficient strategies, you can overcome the challenges of a busy schedule and achieve your business goals. Are you ready to discover the secret? Stay tuned as we delve into the techniques and strategies that can help you accelerate your affiliate marketing success. From time management tips to leveraging technology, we'll cover everything you need to know to maximize your limited time and achieve your business objectives. Roadblocks and detours. Overcoming common affiliate challenges. In affiliate marketing, it's not uncommon to face numerous obstacles that can hinder your progress and success. These challenges can often feel like insurmountable roadblocks, but they can be overcome with the right strategies and mindset. Before we dive into the solution, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges. These challenges can range from technical issues to market competition, and they can be daunting for both new and experienced affiliates alike. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. Affiliate marketing isn't always easy. It requires a lot of effort, patience, and strategic planning. Many affiliates start with high hopes only to find themselves overwhelmed by the complexities of the industry. It's important to recognize that these feelings of frustration are normal and part of the learning process. You've probably encountered some common roadblocks, like market saturation, many affiliates promoting the same products. This can make it difficult to stand out and attract potential customers. The key is to find a unique angle or niche that sets you apart from the competition. Low conversion rates, lots of traffic but few people buying, is a common issue for many affiliates. Seeing many visitors to your site can be disheartening, but very few of them make a purchase. Improving your conversion rates often involves optimizing your content, better understanding your audience, and ensuring your offers are compelling. Finding the correct products. What will resonate with your audience? This is another significant challenge. It's not just about promoting any product, it's about finding products your audience will find valuable and relevant. This requires thorough market research and a deep understanding of your audience's needs and preferences. These challenges can feel discouraging, but don't worry. Every successful affiliate marketer has faced these obstacles at some point. The key is to stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Waddle's secret strategy will help you overcome these obstacles and achieve affiliate success. Let's unlock the secret. By following proven strategies and staying committed to your goals, you can navigate affiliate marketing challenges and come out on top. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these strategies and provide you with the tools you need to succeed.